Well, recent breaking news coming in from West Bengal at this hour. Important information we're tracking. In the latest, Abhishek Banerjee has reacted on Humayun Kabir. Important to understand that Abhishek Banerjee, the TMC General Secretary and Member Parliament, has spoken on Humayun Kabir's Babri Masjid Rao, where he said, and I quote, that where is the mosque being built? I only saw bricks were lying there and that the work has not started yet. Remember that these comments come in context of course, the Babri Masjid Rao. Remember that Humayun Kabir, who has now been suspended from the TMC, had said that he wants to build the Babri Masjid. In fact, on the 5th of December of this year, he'd even laid the foundation stone of the replica of the Babri Masjid. Now, on the latest that we're tracking at this hour, the TMC has reacted. Rather, the TMC's Abhishek Banerjee has reacted and said that if Humayun Kabir wants to do politics of temple and mosque, then what is the difference between him and BJP? Remember that this is a drive from the TMC towards the suspended TMC MLA. Remember that Humayun Kabir had in fact announced that he would be in fact forming a party and even contesting elections on its own. He, remember, has been suspended from the TMC. The TMC, remember, earlier had distanced itself from Humayun Kabir, as well as his comments and especially his action where he, in fact, wanted to build a replica of the Babri Masjid and, in fact, even set up a foundation stone of the same. Now, on the latest that we're tracking at this hour, TMC's Abhishek Banerjee has reacted and he said, and I quote, that whoever wants to build a temple or mosque, then let them do it and, in fact, leave politics. It is the interest of the people that keep religion at home and work for the benefit of the people. Of course, a direct jibe taken at Humayun Kabir, the suspended TMC MLA. Remember that Abhishek Banerjee has hit out of the TMC MLA, the suspended TMC MLA, and said that if you want to do politics, then you should focus on building hospitals and schools. Remember, a direct jibe coming in from Abhishek Banerjee of the TMC towards Humayun Kabir, the suspended TMC MLA. This, remember, is in context of Humayun Kabir and his event, which in fact demanded that a replica of the Babri Masjid be built. The event, remember, took place on the 5th of December in West Bengal. There were tensions there. There was, in fact, an even high security deployment in the region where Humayun Kabir was hosting the event. Now, in the latest that we're tracking at this hour, there seems to be an official comment that's come in from the TMC. The TMC General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee has reacted and has even slammed Humayun Kabir for his move in trying to build a replica of the Babri Masjid. Let's also listen into what Abhishek Banerjee had to say.
कहाँ बन रहे हैं? मैं तो खाली ईंटा पड़ा हुआ देखा हूँ, अभी तो कुछ शुरू नहीं हुआ है। जब शुरू होगा तब सवाल पूछिएगा। भाई अनाउंसमेंट के बेसिस पे आप कैसे बोल दिया बन रहे हैं? लेकिन आपको अगर मंदिर मस्जिद का ही राजनीति करना है तो आप और बीजेपी में फर्क क्या है? ये आप उनसे पूछिए। और जिसको मंदिर मस्जिद बनाना है, मेरा अर्जी ये है भाई सबको बनाने का हक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। आप मंदिर बनाइए, मस्जिद बनाइए, गुरुद्वारा बनाइए, चर्च बनाइए, राजनीति छोड़ दीजिए। अगर आप पॉलिटिक्स कर रहे हैं, जनता की सेवा आपका एक लक्ष्य होना चाहिए। आप अस्पताल बनाइए, आप स्कूल बनाइए,